everyone, welcome to our design talk. I'm Alice. Let's get started. So, what are we chatting about today? How to organize small spaces using vertical space. Sounds fun, right? It's a game changer for maximizing efficiency in tight areas. Mark, how are you feeling about this one?
Definitely. Vertical space is often overlooked. It's incredible how much we can gain just by looking up, right? I mean, we all have those corners that feel impossible to use. Exactly. So let's kick things off. What's your favorite tip for making the most of vertical space?
I love using shelves. Not just for books, but for plants, baskets, and even art displays. Shelves make the eye travel upward, creating the illusion of higher ceilings. According to a 2023 apartment therapy survey, over 70% of people who added vertical shelving said their space felt larger. That's huge! What about you?
Oh, I'm a big fan of wall-mounted hooks. You can hang bags, hats, kitchen utensils, you name it. Super practical and stylish. Plus, as interior designer Bobby Burke mentioned, hooks are one of the cheapest yet most impactful upgrades you can make to a small space. Once pointed out, when floor space is scarce, the walls become your best real estate. Super practical and stylish. Plus, as interior designer Bobby Burke mentioned in Forbes' The New York Times,
I love that. And let's not forget pegboards. They're like the Swiss Army knife of wall storage. Julia Markham from the design blog Chris Loves Julia calls pegboards organized chaos. They let you keep everything visible but neat. They're so versatile.
yes, pegboards are fantastic for organizing tools or craft supplies. You can customize them endlessly. And speaking of neat, floating furniture is another winner. Floating desks, floating nightstands, they lift things off the floor, which instantly makes the room feel less cluttered. The hidden bonus? You can use the space underneath for baskets or low-profile storage.
That's so smart. Multifunctional furniture falls in the same category. Ottomans with hidden compartments, beds with built-in drawers, these are lifesavers in tiny homes. According to House, multifunctional furniture has been one of the fastest growing design trends in the past 5 years.
And let's not skip tall bookcases. They not only give you storage, but also act as a vertical anchor in the room. Designer Nate Berkus often talks about how tall furniture pieces draw the eye upward and add drama, even in a studio apartment.
That's true. And here's a hack I swear by, using the back of doors. It's a spot people constantly overlook. But with over-the-door racks or slim organizers, you suddenly have a place for shoes, scarves, or even cleaning supplies.
So let's recap. We've got shelves for height and display, hooks for versatility, pegboards for customization, floating and multifunctional furniture for flexibility, tall bookcases for impact, and back-of-the-door storage for hidden potential.
Exactly. And I think the key takeaway is that small spaces don't have to feel restrictive. As architect Sarah Suzanka, author of The Not So Big House, said, a small home can live large if every inch is used thoughtfully.
I love that. It's not about cramming more stuff in. It's about making the space work smarter.
Well said. Hopefully today's ideas give our listeners some inspiration to rethink their walls, doors, and even ceilings.
Thanks for joining us, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more design hacks. And remember, look up. Your walls are waiting.